We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone going straight to voicemail for calls. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, perhaps you're in this situation of where people are trying to go and call this iPhone, or you've tried calling it, and you're finding the calls don't ring, they just go straight to voicemail. This can be an annoying problem because you can end up missing important calls. For example, maybe friends or family are trying to call you, work, or even appointments are trying to call you through. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this. Make sure it's this full guide, as it can be different things, but hopefully at the end of this video, you're going to go and have calls coming through. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. First of all, do just make sure that you have got mobile service. If you haven't got any, that can be a reason why. So you try moving to a location where you have, but you can go and see I've got 2 bars there. So calls should be coming through on that. Next, you want to go and drag down on the battery, Wi-Fi and service in the top right. And you want to go and find this option, do not disturb, or another focus mode. If this is on, this can go and silence incoming calls and other notifications. So you can tap there to go and turn it off. Now that's turned off, go and see if calls will come through. Hopefully they will. That is usually going to be one of the main causes there, is that setting is enabled. And so therefore the calls are not coming through. But if that still hasn't solved the problem and they're still not coming through, the next thing you need to do is go and open up your settings. Now, what you want to do is we're going to be in the main settings here like so. What we need to do is go and scroll down and you need to find the option for apps. Scroll down again and we need to go and find the option for phone in P. So this is alphabetical, so come all the way down. And here it is, go and find phone. Now let me just use my phone to go and hide my number. So scroll down into this section here and you want to go and keep scrolling down actually. And where it goes and says screen unknown callers. So as you can see here, if this is turned on, calls from unsaved numbers will silence and sent to voicemail. So that can be a reason why they're going straight to voicemail, is because you don't have them saved. So you could go and ask for a reason or set that to never. So that's really important if you don't want the calls to be silenced. And then what we can also do is we can just go and switch unknown callers off as well. Now what you can do is you can go and see if that goes and solves the problem, see if they're going to come through. Now, if you're still finding that the calls are not coming through, it's worth checking your blocked contacts here. So come into here. So if the contact has been blocked, that can be a reason why. So you can go and just check that if it's a specific person this is happening with, you can go and make sure you haven't blocked them. Maybe you forgot them and forgot, or you accidentally did it, and you can go and see block contacts and swipe on them from right to left and go and press unblock if you want. Also, you could go and press unknown. I won't go in there, but there are just numbers, and you may have gone and accidentally blocked their number. So go and check with the person what the number is if they're saying they can't get through to your phone, and see if it's blocked. Or you could just go through the list and unblock everybody, but you may unblock people you don't want to. Last of all, if it's still happening, I recommend just doing a force restart in case there's some type of software glitch. So you can go and press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side power button. Now go and keep this held down. Shortly, your phone screen is going to go black. Even when it does though, we are going to keep holding that power button down, and we're only going to go and release it when we go and see the Apple icon. So at this point, you can go and release, and the iPhone is now going to go and be starting. When it comes back on, hopefully now calls are going to come through.